Looking for the ultimate productivity solution for your business or remote team? Today, we are exploring Google Workspace, the powerful cloud-based toolkit that helps businesses collaborate, communicate, and grow smarter with secure 2 terabytes and 5 terabytes cloud storage options. Let's dive in. Google Workspace, formerly known as G Suite, is a complete productivity and collaboration platform developed by Google. It combines powerful business tools into one seamless ecosystem, including Gmail, Google Drive, Docs, Sheets, Slides, Meet, Calendar, and more. These tools allow teams to work together in real time from anywhere in the world. One major advantage of Google Workspace is real-time collaboration. Multiple users can edit the same document simultaneously, leave comments, and track changes instantly. It also offers flexible cloud storage options, including 2 terabytes and 5 terabytes plans, perfect for growing businesses, media teams, and enterprises handling large files. Google Workspace also supports remote and hybrid work environments through video meetings, shared calendars, team chats, and cloud file access. Security is another reason businesses trust Google Workspace. It includes advanced protection features such as two-factor authentication, data encryption, admin controls, phishing protection, and endpoint management. These tools help businesses protect sensitive information and reduce cyber threats. Google Workspace offers several plans designed for different business needs. Business Starter includes professional email and 30 gigabytes of storage. Business Standard provides 2 terabytes storage per user and enhanced collaboration tools. Business Plus upgrades users to 5 terabytes storage with advanced security features. And Enterprise Plans offer maximum flexibility, compliance, and scalability. Google Workspace also integrates with powerful third-party tools like Salesforce, Trello, Asana, MailChimp, and many more. These integrations streamline workflows, improve project management, and boost team productivity. Whether you're running a startup or a global company, Google Workspace adapts to your business. Google Workspace is more than just email and cloud storage. It is a complete business productivity ecosystem. With powerful collaboration tools, enterprise-grade security, and scalable cloud storage, it remains one of the best solutions for modern businesses. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. For more business and technology content, visit HUMANITYUAPD.com.